Hello friends, let me introduce myself, Febriano. Here, I will share how to change your own automatic motorbike oil at home. The first, position the motorbike on a flat, hard surface like this so that I will be easier for you to fill in oil later. Then, prepare a container to collect used oil under the oil drain valve and cover the oil cap. Next, open the drain valve or plug with the size valve range that you have prepared. Next, open the oil filler. Next step, pour in the motor oil slowly and make sure the amount is not too little or too much. When finished that, you can close the oil filler valve again. Thank you.